Imagine racing down a quarter-mile strip in a rat rod, raw, rugged, and built from scratch. In the world of drag racing, rat rod builders have always faced a unique challenge, squeezing out every ounce of speed from unconventional, often salvaged materials. Early on, racers realized that shaving weight alone wasn't enough. To gain an edge, they turned to homemade aerodynamics, using whatever they could find. Sheet metal from old appliances was hammered into crude belly pans, reducing drag under the chassis. Scrap plexiglass became makeshift windshields, cleverly angled to cut through the air. Some added roof spoilers, made from street signs, bolted on for extra downforce. Wheel covers fashioned from hubcaps or pizza pans smoothed airflow around spinning tires. These DIY solutions weren't just about style. They genuinely improved performance, helping rat rods clock faster times against sleeker rivals. Builders constantly experimented, learning from trial and error. Their grassroots ingenuity transformed junkyard finds into aerodynamic marvels, proving that creativity and a bit of elbow grease could rival high-dollar engineering on the drag strip.